A couple of things I want to point out here for usability. When I look at the list of data, so here I'm looking at AP bills, I have the ability to filter anything that I want. So if I wanted to say filter with anything with lumber in the name here, then I would just type in lumber and it's going to filter all my bills where the vendor name has lumber in it. All of these lists are interactive. I can add columns to it. So this is going to show me all of the fields on my bills. If I wanted to add additional fields to this, I can sort them and, like I showed, filter them. And then I can save them in all different kinds of views if I want. And that goes the same with for my vendor lists or my, I don't know, banking transactions or general ledger transactions. So we get a good view of different activities. We can export these reports or these lists right to Excel. So we don't need the Office connector or anything like that to do exports. We can just click on the button to do that, whether they be reports or these lists. There's other dashboards as well, other types of dashboards. This is a new, it's called Interactive Explorer. So let me just quick run this. This is an interactive dashboard that allows you to do further evaluation on the software. So this is looking at AP aging. So we can see the AP aging, several different AP aging graphs here, looking at it by customer, or excuse me, by vendor. And then we have all these filters too. So if I wanted to say Hansen here to filter it based on Hansen Plumbing, I can do that and it re-renders my dashboard, aging graphs, all of that information that way, and I can continue to drill down from here. So that's an easy, again, another dashboarding tool that allows us to do interactive graphing. Navigation in the system, anytime I want to flag something as a favorite, a menu as a favorite, I can just click on a star and it adds it to my favorites and I can quickly navigate the system. And I can also use what are called workbench areas that have more of a graphical representation of the system moving through the system. So entering bills, paying bills, or approving bills, paying bills, approving the payments.